Hi students, let's start with our first unit, measurement. Why we need measurement? Measurement is the basis of all important scientific study. It plays an important role in our daily life also. While finding your height, buying milk for your family, timing the activity completed by your friend and so on, you need to make measurements. Definition of measurement. It is defined as the determination of the size or magnitude of a quantity.
Physical quantities. What are physical quantities? Physical quantity is a quantity that can be measured. Physical quantities can be classified into two, fundamental quantities and derived quantities.
Fundamental quantities. Quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities, otherwise known as base quantities. The units used to measure the fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. There are 7 fundamental quantities. They are length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, amount of substance.
Derived quantities. Quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. The units which are used to measure the derived quantities are called derived units. For example, area is a derived quantity. Expression of area is length into breadth. In this expression, length is a fundamental quantity. So, area is derived from fundamental quantity. So, area is a derived quantity. Some more example of derived quantities are given in the table.
As we have learnt that there are 7 fundamental quantities. Now let's learn about length. What is length? Length is the extent of something. The SI unit of length is meter. To measure the large distance of astronomical objects, we use the following units. Astronomical unit, light year, parsec. Let's look on astronomical unit. It is the mean distance of the center of the sun from the center of the earth. 1 AU equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Next is about light year and parsec. Light year. It is the distance traveled by light in 1 year in vacuum and it is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Parsec. Parsec is the unit of distance used to measure astronomical object outside the solar system. 1 parsec equal to 3.26 light year. Smaller units. We can measure small distance easily using meter scale or meter tape. Whereas to measure very small distances such as distance between two atoms in a molecule, size of the nucleus and wavelength, etc. we use sub-multiples of 10. These quantities are measured in angstrom unit. Smaller units are Fermi, angstrom, nanometer, micron, millimeter and centimeter. Next topic is mass. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. The units gram and milligram are the sub-multiples of kilogram. Similarly, these are the multiples of kilogram. Atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit is used to find out the mass of proton, electron and neutron. 1 AMU equal to 1 by 12th of the mass of carbon 12 atom. Let's look on time. Time is a measure of duration of events and intervals between them. The SI unit of time is second. 1 second is the time required for the light to propagate 29 crore 97 lakhs 92,458 meters through vacuum. These are the multiples of second. Temperature. Temperature is the measure of hotness or coldness of a body. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. 1 Kelvin is the fraction of the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water. In this picture, 0 Kelvin is absolute zero. Water freezes at 273 Kelvin. Water boils at 373 Kelvin. Unit prefixes. Unit prefixes are the symbol placed before the symbol of a unit to specify the order of magnitude of the quantity. They are useful to express very large and very small quantities. K, that is kilo, is the unit prefix in the unit kilometer. A unit prefix stands for a specific positive or negative power of 10. Some unit prefixes are given in a table.